next to the living room. The living room is under the bedroom. The bathroom is next to the bedroom. The kitchen is under the bathroom. Living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom. I love my house. There's a clock in the kitchen, a table and 2 chairs. There's a sofa